Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to unrepost on TikTok. Open TikTok on your device and then find the video that you want to unrepost. So I will go to my repost section and then open a video that I want to unrepost, and then tap share icon, and now you see remove repost function removed. So we have unreposted the video successfully. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.